Hey guys, I'm at my local mall, Jordan Creek Mall, and I just bought AirPods. The AirPod Pros, sorry, the AirPod Pros. I made this argument where I'm like, do I want them because like I really like how my AirPods fit, and I hate those silicone earbuds like on the regular, but so far like a lot of the reviews are saying that it's like really dope. So here I am. I already took the plastic out, but here's the small unboxing, I guess. Alright, packaging made from Apple, probably designed by Apple, whatever. There it is. Oh crap. Alright, here it is. Nothing special. It looks like my regular, well, it's thicker than my original AirPods that I have. And I got the Gen 2 AirPods too, so I need to sell these, so if anything. Here we go. Oh, okay, whatever. Being annoying, more annoying than plastic. It's not even focusing, but whatever. Just keep trying to focus on my face. And I'm using my iPhone, so it's probably going to try to pair. But here they are. I'm just dropping everything right now. You can't even see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Who's that? I know you probably, some of you are Grace Hall big fans, probably. I probably saw her. And in here, there's a little pull tab that it kind of just fell out. The little lightning to USB-C, and behind this thing are the earbuds, the extra earbuds, like for different size ears. That's it. I'm gonna get this set up. Yeah, that's it. I'm such a freaking Apple sucker. I buy everything Apple because I'm such a sad guy. And even though I really love my Generation 2 AirPods because I like the way it fits. I know a lot of people say it slips out of the ear or whatever, but it always does a good job to fit in my ear, you know? But I don't even know if I'm gonna keep these, to be honest, because I know these silicone earbuds are always like annoying to me, but we will see. Alright, thank you for watching. Subscribe and stuff, and all that fun stuff. Like, subscribe. My name is Otis. Hi, and bye. Oh my god, one quick thing. I connected in, put my earbuds in. I'm in my car still, and it's running, but when I put it in, it just silence. And I thought like my car stalled or like it just shut off, but no, it's still running. It's so nuts. That was a weird experience. Oh my god.